Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and watch the whole videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Continue subscribing. Hi, everyone. Come along with me to making my working space, a space where I'll be having most of my interviews for people who will be coming around my place. I'm also looking at other options on either renting studio time for like an hour for those people who won't be able to come around to my place for interviews. Yeah, so thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. If you see me sweating in this video, just know I've really worked and put my hands to work. So kindly enjoy, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. See you. This is how the space looked before cleaning. The seats and the carpet were really dirty. This is me starting to clean. So tukiwa nyumbani tunakaa vile tunakaa. Wait until I've put on nice clothes and makeup. I was really determined on making sure that everything worked out. So yeah. These are just before pictures, and I don't know who actually put my umbrella there, but I think there is someone who wanted to use it and not tell anyone. So as you can see, the seat was very dirty. I had to sweep it and clean it. Scott. That's me realizing that there's a small hole in the pillow, so I decided to switch it up. I was so happy with the end result. Just showing you a little bit of my flower garden, and I was preparing to wash all the linen that had been covering the seats. So that's my garden. If you can see, I replaced this part over here with some pebbles. I'll add in some water for it to look nice, and that's my best seat out there. Then yeah, that's the end result. I'll switch it up a little bit, remove the 2 plastic seats. I'm just trying to show you my hanging flower. I'll probably also do more of the hanging flowers. And yeah, for now I like the space, Scott, how it looks. Come. But I might improve some things. That's Scott always making an appearance. And when he sees a camera or when he hears water, here I'm trying to put some water on the pebbles just to remove the dust, and also for it to look better, because it looks way better with water. I was really enjoying the space and admiring everything. So I didn't show a lot of behind the scenes because I was moving the furniture on my own. I could not record, but I'm glad I did this. In the background, at some point you can hear my dad talking to me and just asking why Scott was running, and it's because he saw me putting water in a bucket and he thought I was going to wash him. So that's the final look. Let me know what you think about it. I like it. It's quite a nice space for talking and engaging with people. So this will be my space for the time being, and it's quite pleasing when it's raining and you're seated there. So it's a really nice outdoor place that I'm enjoying in just decorating. Yeah, so that's the laundry, which I'll do later and just fold it and put it somewhere else. Those are my babies, my flowers. I think this is a passion fruit. Correct me if I'm not wrong. My mom thinks it's something else, but I think it's a passion fruit. I'll remove the cushion from the seat because it looks way better. Oh yes, I did remove. So that's it. Whenever it's raining, I'll be removing the seat and putting it back here. This is again our favorite hanging flower. Finally taking a pause and Scott joining in as usual.